everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. The world is growing digitally, and as every aspect of our lives adapts to these digital advances, the demand for software developers and professionals is skyrocketing each day. So adequate knowledge of programming languages has become essential for software professionals. Programming languages lie at the epicenter of this evolving field of computer science. If you're new to the field of software development, then learning a new programming language or framework is crucial to your survival in the field. And if you're not sure where to start, don't worry, because HTML is there for you. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is one of the most accessible and important stepping stones into the world of programming languages. Basically, as the name suggests, HTML is a markup language, and this means that it can carry out the formatting of the appearance of the website. It doesn't have the same features as other programming languages, but it can do wonders when it comes to creating and structuring text on a website. Some of the key parts of the HTML domain include sections, paragraphs, headings, and links. According to Google Trends, HTML has the highest research capacity amongst web development programming languages. HTML is so important because it can describe words, pictures, voice, URL, animation, amongst other things. Client-side development is a process for producing HTML or other programming languages for the website so that people can interact with it. In today's video, we're going to look at some of the advantages of HTML. As always, if you find this topic interesting, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comments section down below. Now let's jump into it. Now, as promised, let's start by looking at the advantages of HTML, starting with HTML is simple to use and easy to learn. HTML is a very simple language. It's easy to learn and understand. It's commonly the first language that someone will go through if they're learning web development. HTML isn't case sensitive and has simple tags that serve a specific purpose. You can also easily understand another programmer's code and can make the required changes since there isn't a lot more to understand in it. HTML is free of cost. One of the major pros of HTML is that it's free of cost and there's no need to buy any other software tool for coding. Besides, as HTML doesn't require plugins, you don't need to deal with various plugins to work on any tool. It's very reasonable from a business perspective since you don't have to buy the license if the entire platform is built in HTML. HTML is supported by all browsers. HTML supports almost all browsers around the world. And this is why there's no need to worry about a website written in HTML for the browser support, since it would easily run in all browsers. That is, if the program remembers to optimize the website for all of the different browsers. HTML is one of the most friendly search engines. HTML is one of the most user-friendly search engines available on the internet. A search engine-friendly language delivers high-quality websites. It's easier to develop SEO-compliant websites through HTML than through other programming languages. Websites developed using HTML are easier to read and be accessed by web crawlers. This lowers parsing time and the overall page load time of the website, and thereby improving its performance. HTML can be edited easily. HTML can be edited very easily, since there's no need to have a special interface or website to modify it. You can write the code in Notepad and edit it in any text editor such as Notepad or Notepad++. HTML can merge easily with other programming languages. HTML can merge easily with other languages and doesn't give any error prompts. For example, in JavaScript, CSS, PHP, and Node.js, we write the actual coding in between HTML tags, and it blends with these languages very easily. HTML is lightweight. HTML is a very lightweight language, which means that it has a high signal-to-noise ratio compared to other languages. Also, it's much faster to download, which makes the language highly compressive as well. And last but not least, HTML is the foundation of all programming languages. For a coder to excel in front-end or back-end development, they must have a fair amount of knowledge of HTML since it's the basis of all other programming languages. This means that it's used to integrate other languages such as Jakarta server pages, JavaScript, PHP, etc. during coding. Also, XML syntax is similar to HTML, and this is often used these days for data storage. So if you have good knowledge of HTML, then you can easily learn XML. So really the bottom line is start learning more, start earning more. HTML along with CSS is the foundation of the internet. This makes it the basis for taking your tech skills to the next level. Knowing the ins and outs of HTML will make learning other programming languages like PHP, JavaScript, and Ruby much easier. Also, if you have some knowledge of Photoshop, you can even create impressive and interactive website mockups. All you need to do is get some HTML and CSS under your belt, and you'll be able to easily turn those website mockups into actual sites. You can also become the unicorn that every organization is looking for at the moment. The more you learn, the more doors will open for you. So there we have it, a look at HTML. Once again, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.